So how to mine Grass token, guys? So first you need to download MySys browser. After you download, click open, new tab. Tapos dito kita mo tong extension logo, click mo yan. So for me, I already downloaded the Grasslight node extension. So kapag wala ka pang extension, click mo to, extensions, tapos click mo tong search box, type mo dyan grass node. Grass. So first remove muna natin. Kita mo tong open MySys extension store, click mo yan. Tapos dito search mo grass node. So click mo tong grass extension. Click mo to, yung blue, add to Chrome. Tapos okay. So after you added it to the Chrome extension, balik ka dito. Yan, yung Grasslight node. Diyan ka maglalagin. Pero first, gumawa muna tayo ng account using the link. So I will just put the link under ito po. So you can use your Gmail account for signing up. Okay. Just click it, tapos click mo to, just continue. Okay, sign in success na po. So for you to mine without using PC, you can just download the MySys browser. Tapos balik tayo dito, click Grasslight node dyan. Tapos login ka lang dito, and for you to get verified, just click rewards. Tapos verify mo lang yung email mo. Tapos connect mo yung Solana wallet mo, Solfair or Phantom wallet. Tapos after you connect dito after mag-connect ka ng wallet mo successfully, i-confirm mo naman yun dito sa email mo. And para maka-mine ka po, punta ka sa dashboard. Dito dashboard, dyan. Click dashboard. And just click this connect. For my case, connected na po siya. And that's it. So makikita mo dito yung rewards. Just claim it. You can mine using PC para yung speed niya is mag-increase for 2 times dito. So yan lang po.